Hi, this is Molly, and we are ready to start part 3 of our Crazy Creature flipbook. Let's go! Last time we learned to draw a green iguana from the Amazon rainforest. This time we will learn to draw an Amazon snake from the Amazon rainforest. Let's get started!
Hi, now we're ready for our third and final creature for our Crazy Creature flipbook. So first, I want you to take out your pencil and your ruler, and I want you to measure from the side 3.5 inches in. Okay, great. Now connect those dots. And this is just like what we've done before. Now from the top, I want you to go 1.5 inches down. And a parent can help you do this. And we're going to connect those dots. Great. Okay, now we're going to go 3.5 inches down and then 5.5 inches. And we're going to take our good eraser and erase out that line between those two marks. Great job. Okay, now I want you to take your pencil, find about halfway, and scoot over maybe 1.5 inches and draw a short line, maybe about 1.5 inches long. Now, about 1/2 inch down, draw another line, just a little bit longer than that one. Now, I want you to go another 1/2 inch down and draw another line, just a little bit longer than that one. And you guessed it. One more line, about 1/2 inch down, a little bit longer than that one. It should look like tiers of a cake or one of those wedding cakes that goes up, except we don't have the sides on there yet. Now, I want you to do a curved line like that, coming off that top tier. And then I want you to do another curved line coming off that second tier. Great job. Now take this top line, this one over here, the furthest line out, and go up like a roller coaster and down through that hole. Can you do that? And then take this one, and it's going to follow a similar path right next to the top line. Great job. Okay, now to put the sides on the tiers of our so-called cake that will turn into a snake, we're going to draw curved line, and another curved line. And you guessed it, on this side we'll have a curved line and another curved line. That's right. Okay, now we're going to draw an almond shape over here to be the head of our snake. Something that looks kind of like an almond. And at that point, you can draw the eye. I like to leave a little middle section white. You could draw a straight line for the mouth. But as you know, they sneak that little forked tongue out. So you could draw a little forked tongue if you want. Now down here, I'm going to draw a line like this. And then it comes to a point and goes back up. So that will be the tail of our snake. Now you can erase this line here so we don't confuse anybody. I'll erase that pretty good. Okay, so we've drawn our third and final creature. And so now we're ready for the last step of our Crazy Creature flipbook. Okay, now we're ready for the final step of our Crazy Creature flipbook. We're going to make sure these are stacked. These 3 creatures that you drew, it doesn't matter what order. So I just happen to have the pink dolphin on top. I'm going to grab my stapler and I'm going to staple one staple here, one staple way on the other end, so we could see that, and then one in the middle. And that 1.5 inch line acts as my margin across the top. Okay? Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to just boldly cut through that line. Now don't be afraid. And I'm going to go up here but I'm not going to go any further than that 1.5 inch line. Okay, and you guys are going to see what happens. All right, so now you can fold actually on that line every single one of your papers because it acts as a margin. Now somehow I got this little strip in here. And we're going to fold up on that margin line to make our flip book. So we have the snake body with the green iguana head, or we could have the green iguana body with the snake head. Or you could have the pink dolphin head with the green iguana body, or the snake body. And that one kind of looked kind of funny, but I still think it looks pretty crazy as a crazy creature. Okay, so hopefully everything came out matching for your crazy creature flip book, and you can go show your friends and get a good laugh out of what happens when you combine crazy creature heads with crazy creature bodies. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hey.